How to fix microphone not working on Snapchat. If you're not being able to give the microphone access on Snapchat and then you'd like to change it, so first you can just open up Snapchat here. And if you're not being able to use microphone because maybe you're trying to call someone or take a certain snap, then what you can do is you can simply go ahead and open up settings on your device. Now on an Android device, you can go to the option called apps, and under the apps list, you want to search for Snapchat app manually in this case. Once you search for Snapchat, here you'll come to the app info page. Then you can go to permissions where you can select microphone and make sure that it is set to allow. So on iPhone, if you're using, then if you're not finding even on Android, then just use your phone's search feature on settings. Open settings and just search for something like microphone access, and you should be able to see microphone access option depending upon your phone, on iPhone also, and just see which apps are using or not using your microphone access and make sure to allow for the Snapchat app manually. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.